Robotic process automation, RPA, is a process that automates processes, usually menial tasks. This can help free up employees' time and improve productivity. RPA can perform tasks that once took hours or days to complete manually. Chatbots are a great example of RPA in action. These virtual assistants can answer queries and provide assistance from anywhere. They are ideal for organizations looking to enhance their customer service and brand reputation. RPA has numerous applications, including inventory management and order processing. It can also improve vendor data management, patient care, and more. In a healthcare setting, RPA can improve patient care by reducing wait times and providing real-time information to staff. It can also improve inventory management in large warehouses by automating the movement of inventory and planning purchases based on the orders received. RPA software reduces the risk of human error by automating repetitive tasks, as well as decision trees. It also has the benefit of providing audit trails, which make it easier to monitor progress and resolve issues. RPA software also does not disrupt existing systems. It works from a user interface, which means it is ideal for organizations without the resources to implement deep integrations. RPA uses advanced optical character recognition, OCR, to extract text from documents and images. It is used to automate operational business processes that depend heavily on paper-based data. RPA software is easy to use, making it ideal for automating simple, repetitive tasks. It can also be used to automate rule-based processes. RPA also allows companies to increase employee engagement, customer satisfaction, and process speed. Robotic process automation is a promising solution for businesses that are struggling to control cost and improve efficiency. While many large enterprises have a wealth of processes ripe for automation, the key to success is finding the processes that are most appropriate for robotic automation. A data-driven automated solution is essential to this end. Because robotic process automation has become so sophisticated, the process of implementing it requires proper planning, design, and governance. The process should be phased in, with the department and business stakeholders working together to implement the technology. The first phase should focus on automating tasks that are small but drain human capital. The next phase should focus on the most critical tasks. Once a company has a validated proof of concept, they can start implementing the robotic process automation solution. During this stage, they can measure how well the robots work and compare their results with their exit requirements and success criteria. This helps them assess the true benefits of the technology and make any necessary changes before implementing the solution on a larger scale. Robotic automation is a good fit for back-office clerical processes, where the process involves few subjective judgments. In addition, these processes are often transactional, requiring little analysis. This makes them ideal candidates for robotic automation.